What is up, YouTube? We're back. We got another OVO review. This time we got the OVO collaboration with Mechanix. These gloves that they're called tactical gloves. Mechanix is a brand that they just make like tons of like work gear and stuff like that. So pretty cool. These are priced at $48. So and I believe they are in stock still on the OVO site in some sizes. So you can go check that out right now if you want to go scoop them up. I'm gonna unbox them for you right now, as they just came in, and yeah, I'll show you them. So these OVO Mechanix gloves, looking sick. This clean Arctic camo. I actually have the OVO puffer vest actually with the same white camo, so it's pretty nice. The branding's pretty nice here with the insulated, the original fleece line. So I never actually owned a pair of Mechanix gloves before. I'm not sure. Can you use these for driving, like without looking like a complete idiot, or?
It depends.
Or it's more of a work glove.
Yeah.
Tactical stuff,
yeah.
Right? You know, I ordered these in XL because I'm hearing they fit very tight. So sizing, let's see how it is. Yeah, perfect fit. This is exactly what I wanted. Perfect. It's like not too tight, not too loose at all. So I'll break down the glove. So it's got this like little strap here, obviously, and it's just like blacked out, got a little gray in it. It's got the M Mechanix Wear logo all in like that charcoal gray. It's got in like this very light blue, the original. It also has like a little tag right here, yellow tag, Mechanix Wear, the same logo there, but it's in yellow and black. And then like pretty much the part you're buying for right here on like the palm, not the palm, on the front side of your hand. It's got Mechanix Octobers, and it's got all this like white Arctic camo in the background with the OVO owl right there, and then it's got Mechanix Very, and then Mechanix Own, and then Mechanix Gloves, right? And another OG owl right over here on one of the fingers on your pinky finger. So yeah, and then it's got also the OVO Runner logo on the side as well. The one thing I remember from last year's, which I'm not happy about not being on there, was the OVO owl like translucent right on the palm, right? I wish that was on there. They apparently actually work with like your phone and stuff, so you can use them there. And then also there is a tag in here. Also it says extra large insulated original, made in Vietnam, category 2 personal protective equipment. So yeah, these are like work gloves. I'll put this one on as well. It's weird because I'm used to like kind of like strapping up this way. This one you gotta actually strap around. It's different, right? You gotta go in and around, so you gotta like kind of bring out your palm and do that. These are super nice. Really like these, how they came out and stuff. Definitely gonna try and use them a little bit. Cool hype piece. What do you think of these? Pretty cool?
I like them.
Yeah, pretty cool. Would you get this color? Yeah.
A little, I don't know.
No?
I don't know, maybe a little flashy for me.
A little flashy?
Yeah.
I don't know, it's just white. It's not like it's like orange or purple, right? That's way flashy, but yeah, guys, let us know what you thought of the collab with OVO and Mechanix. Is this something you were interested in, something you were gonna cop? Let us know. Didn't really expect this from OVO during October. Expect something a little bit bigger, but it's just pretty cool nonetheless. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching. If you made it to the end of the review, if you can leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn that post notification bell right down here. Keeps on speed dial. Content like this is always on the way. We post almost every single day as well, so you can go check that out, and you'd be notified. So yeah. Anyways, guys, you take it easy. This was our review of the OVO Mechanix gloves, the Camo collection. Peace.